Technological advancements over the past decade has transformed the way businesses operate. Digitization and automation has opened a whole new perspective of how organizations handle their data. The data has become more and more complex, and ensuring data security has become one of the top priorities for businesses. The medical, legal, insurance and healthcare industry is swamped with digital records, and ensuring security of protected health information is not just a choice, but a requirement by law. ITCube is committed to ensure that we live up to the expectations. Our digital service infrastructure meets the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, HIPAA, security rule requirements and specifications. Unlike other record retrieval services, we keep your data safe and secure on US-based servers that are proven to maintain the highest levels of security. We also use 128-bit SSL security for data transfer from web browser to data servers. This ensures complete data security. Each of our customers are able to create a username and password-based authentication for themselves for uploading data. These are case-sensitive to meet HIPAA standards. So, use ITCube's record retrieval and summary services for all your records needs. Contact ITCube today to know more.